Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho API. First, understand that Zoho APIs allow your applications to communicate directly with Zoho services, enabling powerful integrations. This means you can automate tasks, synchronize data, and extend the functionality of your existing systems. It's a fantastic way to make your business processes more efficient and connected. Next, let's talk about authentication, a crucial first step. You'll need to register your application in the Zoho Developer Console to get a client ID and client secret. Then, generate an authorization code, which requires user consent. Finally, exchange this code for an access token, which acts as your key to making API calls. Remember, access tokens have a limited lifespan. Once authenticated, you're ready to make API calls. You'll use standard HTTP methods, such as GET for retrieving data and POST for creating new records. Always include your access token in the request header for authorization. Ensure your request bodies are correctly formatted, typically as JSON. Pay close attention to the API responses and any error codes to troubleshoot effectively. Finally, let's cover some best practices for using Zoho APIs. Always implement robust error handling in your code to gracefully manage unexpected issues. Be mindful of API rate limits to avoid getting temporarily blocked. It's also vital to securely store your API credentials, protecting them from unauthorized access. And remember, thorough testing of your integrations is key before deploying them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.